Hey guys, let's check out this setup of two nesting table. Okay, like you can see the product, it came really protected. It has the foam and well, like bags. All the products came like this and tape, and it has here all the products we need or we're going to use for assembling the product. So let's go.
Okay guys, in here are all the pieces that we're gonna need to do the proper assembly, and I think that they are great because they come labeled, and that way we can identify each one of them and how we are going to assemble it. And talking about the assembly process, I think that it's really simple, it doesn't take that much long, and all the steps in the manual are really simple, which is great, and you get all the tools that you're gonna need to do this assembly. Overall, they can be placed in a variety of spaces indoors as they are multi-purpose.
Okay, guys, well, this is the final product, and I like it a lot because I think if you put it in any place in your house, it's going to look very nice. And well, here I put my computer, here I have my book. Also, you can put it for placing some decoration. I have here my water and my cup of coffee. And well, I'm going to be working here a little bit of time, and I think it's an excellent product, and I hope you like it.